What is going on? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California, and today I want to talk to you about the $25 one-up system, how you can start making money online with the $25 one-up business. It's a direct sales business opportunity where you can position yourself, right, starting today to start earning 100% commission. So in this $25 one-up review, I'm just going to share with you exactly what the system is. It's a very simple, newbie-friendly system, and that's why I'm going to promote it and go hard with it. I'm going to help a lot of people make money along with this, following the step-by-step training that will be provided with you for you. So, like I said, I've been promoting this for less than a week, right? And already been able to make $1,450 on complete autopilot. I mean, just added another extra stream of income. And in the last 5 days, again, almost $1,500. So, I always ask, what would your life look like if you had the ability to make an extra $1,000 a week, or even an extra $500 a week, right? How would your life change? What would you be able to do with that type of income on a weekly basis? The beautiful thing about $25 one up is that you get paid instantly, right? A lot of the times, we're so used to, when we go to our regular 9 to 5 jobs, we're so used to getting paid every 2 weeks, right? Every 14 days, we have to wait to get that paycheck. But what if you could do this on the side, right? Do this part-time and start generating a possible $3,000 per month income, right? And so I'm just letting you know what is possible. I'm showing you this to inspire you, and let you know that you can start creating an extra income, starting today. And so, again, if you want to position yourself to start earning unlimited $25 and $100 commissions, watch this video all the way towards the end, right? But I'm going to go ahead and go here and show you exactly what the system is. Okay, perfect. So here we are, $25 one-up review. Okay, at the $25 level, okay, this is where I'm going to explain exactly what you're going to get for the $25 level, and I'm going to show you here as well. So I'm going to go to my business, and the $25 investment, a one-time investment. This is a one-time investment that could potentially change your life. But at the $25 level, this is what you get. This is the digital training that you're purchasing. This is what you're paying for. You're paying for the digital marketing training that's going to teach you how to grow a business online, right? And you're gonna go ahead and get a complete done-for-you sales funnel, meaning that you're gonna be able to have your capture page, your landing page, and your sales page. So that's already for you. And I'm gonna go ahead and just show you here. You're gonna get access to the pre-written ads. That's what you get access to, okay? At the $25 level, gold level. Okay, you get access to the pre-written ads. I went ahead and wrote it here. And let me go ahead and just do this here. So you get access to the pre-written ads. You get access, to the basic training. We teach you where to post these ads to generate sales. You get access to the support group, right? So if you ever have any questions, you're able to go ahead and ask them there. And then you get, again, the sales funnel, right? You have the capture page. Guys, I just want to show you, I'm super surprised, right? Because the funnel pages, I mean, they're pretty nice. They're very clean, very professional. And these are the capture pages that you're going to get, right, if you join the system. So you have your done for you capture page, right, meaning that you're able to collect the emails and you're able to follow up with your prospects, right? A lot of the times, I don't know if you've heard this, but the money is in the follow-up. So once you follow up, you're going to be able to follow up with all the people that have shown interest in your business, and we're going to show you how to close those sales. So these are pretty nice done for you sales funnels, right? And so I'm going to go ahead and share with you also the last thing, right? At the $25 level, you position yourself to get paid $25 commissions, right? But only $25 commissions. So now, if you come in, right? If you come in at the $25 level, that's awesome, right? You're starting your online business. You have the basic training. You're pretty much ready to go. But what I highly suggest you do is coming in also at the $100 level, right? I'm going to explain why. If you come in at the $25 level and the 100, right? And the $100 level, so it's going to be a total of 125, okay? If you come in at both levels, listen, look at what you're getting, right? You're going to get access to the pre-written ads, right? The advanced marketing training where we're going to teach you how to use social media, right? There are millions of people on social media, on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, right? looking for what you have to offer, right? There are thousands and thousands of people on a daily basis searching online how they can start making an extra income working from home. So we teach you how to get in front of those people, how to use social media to go ahead and close sales and start making money. And so you're going to get access to the coaching group, okay, at the $100 level. And then you're going to get, of course, the sales funnel that I just showed you, plus an autoresponder, right? You're going to be able to follow up with your prospects. Let me go ahead and just move myself up a little bit here. And listen to this one, though. If you come in also at the $100 level, you're going to be able to receive not only just the little $25 commissions, but you're going to position yourself to start earning the $100 commissions as well. So you're going to be able to start earning $100 commissions, right? $100 commissions as well. Okay. So imagine if you get, if you have the ability to get, $200 sales a day, or, $4 $25 commissions and sales, right? That would be $300 in a single day. And so that's the beautiful thing of coming all in, because then you're going to get more training. And so for people that come all in, right, coming in at the $25 and the $100 level, you're going to get access to my exclusive bonuses, right? My exclusive bonuses worth over $997 for free, right? And my bonuses, I'm going to share with you, right? I'm going to give you access to my Instagram Elite training. I'm going to show you how you can automate your Instagram, right? I'm going to give you my Craigslist Elite training. I'm going to show you my YouTube domination training, right? Where I show you how I make anywhere from 20 to 50 sales per month on complete autopilot, meaning that, I'm sleeping, I'm out traveling the world, and I'm still making commissions. That's the training you're going to get access to. And, right, at the $100 level, because you're going to be able to follow up with your prospects, you're going to get access to my 14-day email follow-up series, right? So I'm going to share with you 14 very powerful emails that you can use to send them to your list so that you can close your sales. Okay, so you don't want to miss out, right? Coming all in. So again, what is this system? It's very simple. It's a direct sales business opportunity where you get paid directly, instantly into your account. This is a global opportunity, right? You can choose to receive payments through Stripe, through PayPal, through First Data, through Authorize.net, through Bitcoin, whatever platform you may want to use to receive payments. Again, this is a global business opportunity, as long as you can receive payments, right? Somehow using these different platforms. So it's a direct sales opportunity, and you're earning 100% commissions, right? That's a big bonus. I love 100% commissions. You get instant payments. And what we're doing here, right? Again, we're copying and pasting ads on social media, right? The ads, you get them at the $25 level. So that's what you want to do, right? That's what you want to do. I'm going to go to my business, go to the gold level. What we're doing, we're copying and pasting these. You're going to get over 100 ads. So you don't have to, come up with different ads on how to promote your business. The ads are already made for you. So if you can copy and paste, right, pre-written ads on social media, right, if you're able to follow the video, which is inside of your sales funnel, the video is going to do all the selling and telling for you. All you got to do is share the link, share your website with others. Again, you already are going to be having a complete done for you website with a professional video that's going to explain and tell all of your prospects exactly what this business is all about. You share a video. When people join your team, join the system, you get paid. Simple as that. You get paid 100% commission. So now when you get started, you will be added to our the team's coaching group, okay, for support. So if you have questions, if we have videos in there with trainings, right, and we show you exactly how to close your sales. So even if you're a complete newbie, that's completely fine, because we're going to give you step-by-step training so we can help you and assist you close your sales, right? So I'm super excited about that. And I already showed you, right, I made over almost $1,500 in 5 days on complete autopilot with this system. But we have a proof group here where we have other members making money. You can see here, Vinny, $325, right, in a single day, $200 in another day. And we've got here Felicia, right? She made $125 with this business just posting on Facebook. That's all she's doing, posting on Facebook, and she made $125 already, right? And so we just have here more testimonials, more images with proof pictures, right? Proof pictures that people are making money on a consistent basis. And so that's the beautiful thing here. We have Tanya here. You can see here $125 in commissions, right? We have Mashandra here, $125, right, in commissions as well. Vinny again here, $100 commissions, guys, and it goes on and on. I mean, I can show you forever. We have here Krishinta over 24, right, $2,400 since she got started. So what you want to do, you definitely want to go ahead and make sure that you get started, right? Mom approved. You can see there, unlimited $25 commissions. So what you want to do, you want to get started with the team. Trey, more proof here. He just received a $25 commission. We have Savella here, 150, right, in a single day. So just imagine, right, what would your life look like if you were had the ability to receive, you know, $100 commissions, right, in a single day, right? That's life-changing income for a lot of people, honestly. So if you're ready to change your life, and if you're coachable, meaning that you are able to follow simple step-by-step instructions, you want to go ahead and get started with me today. Also, there's a small admin fee, right, that you're also are going to have to invest in, and that's because you're going to get the entire marketing system, right? It's going to be, you're going to have your capture page, your entire done for you a sales funnel, and your landing page. It's a one-time investment that can potentially change your life. Again, take action today. Other than that, I will see you at the top.